Hi, this video I'm gonna teach you how to use OBS Studio in making the video online for your student. OBS is a software that help you create an effective video for online learning resources. First of all, you will need to download OBS to your computer. You can either search Google for OBS or type in obsproject.com. It will lead you to this page. And then you can download the software according to your machine. If you use Windows computer, you just download with this button. If you use Mac, you can download with this button. After you download it, you can just install it following the instruction of the software. Now I'll show you what OBS look like because I already installed the OBS on my computer. Here what it look like, right? Here we go. You can see here, this is OBS. Okay. The first bit, this one is the part that the video would look like. Okay. This is to show you what your scene will look like, and when you record it, this scene, it will be on your video. The scene, how would you control the scene? It's here. Can you see the menu here? At the bottom, on the left, it says scene. You can create as many scenes as you want. For example, this scene doesn't have my video on it, but then you will have another scene that have my video on it, for example. So how would you create this scene, right? You can just press add button to create a new scene, right? Once you press that, you can rename it. At the moment, I have new start scene. In my new start scene, for example, I'll remove everything, right? My new start scene doesn't have anything, just the screen display which show the current screen on my computer. If you create the new scene, it will be blank. So what you want is to decide what your scene want to look like. For example, I want my scene to show the screen of my computer. The screen of my computer is called display captured. So you press add here, select the scene that you want to edit, and then add. What's it called? Screen captured, right? Display captured, sorry. Display captured menu here. Once you click create, it will ask you what's the screen capture name that you want. You just say it any name, really. You can just say it monitor, and it will show the monitor that you want here, right? It will ask you further which screen that you want. At the moment, I'm connecting two monitor on my computer, so it let me select, okay, monitor 1 or monitor 2. I select monitor 1 so you guys can see my screen and click OK. That's my device, right? So you can see here it look a bit big, right? See, this one is a bit big, so I just resize it. You can just resize it and then make it as big as you want, right? This is how to show your screen on the OBS scene. Once you get your screen, you said, why I want to have like a picture of my Facebook page on it. So what you have to do is you need to create that image. You can create in JPEG or PNG, whatever, but at the moment I already create that file. So what I'm going to insert is insert image and create. Okay. I need to go and browse for that file that I created, right? I create it on here. I call it OBS main. See, this is just normal JPEG, PNG file with picture, on it. You can put picture, any picture. For example, if you have hat, you want to add a hat onto the scene, you can just add image and then search for the picture hat that you have and put it on the scene. Same thing, at the moment it's so big, right? So you want to resize them, drag them down and put it to make it as same size as the screen. So now I have my picture frame on my video. What else do I need? I want them to know what video that I'm making. So I just want to add text here, the name of the video. So I'll go add and then add text here. Click OK again and type in the text, introduction to OBS. You can select the font that you want, the size of the font. Oh, let's say it shouldn't be that big. I just click here. Okay. Don't worry if it's too big. You can always resize it. See? At the moment it's quite big, so I just resize them and move to where I want to be. Well, it's a bit boring, isn't it? Just text on there, stand still. I want to add a little bit of fun to it. I want this to move. So I can do this and add some space to it. I said I want it to move inside this red box. Okay. How you want to move it, you just go click inside there, right click on it, and it will have more menu here. You click filter and then add scroll filter. It will let you set the scrolling. This one is horizontal speed, so you want to move on horizontally, so you just click. Oh, it's go back way. I want it to go front, just move the other side. See, you can create as big, fast, slow, depend on what you want. And now click close. So I get like this video. My video will look like this. The student can see the name of the video moving. This is a video. What else do I want? I want my picture, my video on it. So I'll go add, and then you go with the video captured device. Video captured device, it means any camera that connect to your computer, right? So I'll click add this and click OK. Select the device that connected to your computer. At the moment I have this one connected, general webcam. Click, you can see that's me. Click, you can set the how clear is the picture and stuff there, but if you don't want to do anything, just click OK. Well, I don't want myself to be that big on the screen, so I just resize them. You can just resize, click and drag in and out, move wherever you want, right? This is how you add the video. But this is a trick. I have the green screen ready. Why? Because I don't want people to see my background. So you can add filter again. Click, right click, and then add filter. In the OBS, they have chroma key filter effect. Click on chroma key here, and then you can set. See, this one is automatically click for me that I have green screen. Now my video is don't have any screen at all, and click close. Look, I don't have green screen anymore. If I resize myself to be this big, I can just move myself and then I can touch all the PowerPoint. See, this one is how you use the OBS to interact with the student. To make it smaller, you can do it as well. You can still point it. If your PowerPoint got the contents here, you can point at it and the student can see that you're pointing, right? It depends how you set the camera. You can play around with it. This is just the basic how to set the OBS. And then when you record, you can change between scenes. This one, I don't want my picture on it. This one, I want my picture on it. Like introduction, I said, hi, welcome everybody. Today I'm gonna talk about something, and here is what I'm gonna talk about. We don't just want to emphasize on the PowerPoint. You don't want to see myself, but if you want to come back to myself, you just switch the scene again when you record. Here we go. How would you start recording? There's a menu here, see? At the moment I'm recording, so it said stop recording. If I want to stop, I just press stop. If I want to start, I press start. It will start recording video for you. This is it. This is how you use OBS. Okay, if you have any question on OBS, please let me know. You can always comment on the YouTube video. I can record more video and teach you how to do things with different equipment. Anyway, bye for now. Bye.